you did hard work when you started your speaking journey. You can evaluate, yeah, you can evaluate me because I can communicate with you. Then you can evaluate me how much I did hard work to speak better English. Okay, I'm not telling we can speak like a native speaker, but we can convey a thought in front of them, right? What I wanna tell you, you can understand me, then it's enough for me, right? But if anyone wants to go to abroad for their livelihood or for their higher education, they little bit focus about accent. Accent is a different matter. But if you speak correct sentence with grammar, then anyone can ready to talk with you. They can understand. You can convey our message with whom we interact, right? Even. Mm, mm. Of course, definitely. That's why communication solve the problem. Communication solve the problem, right? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Of, of course, of course. Right, right, right. Of course, right, right. Yeah. Of course, definitely, I agree with your point. Suppose I will give you one example. If you don't feel well, if you go to hospital to meet doctor, if you can't communicate with that doctor what happened with you, then how can you recover your disease? Right? Then communication is important. Communication is important. We can communicate and we can solve their problem through communication. Why people means take advisor, right? Because they cannot think about, they cannot solve their problem. That's why they want to hire advisor and they take advice from advisor due to their communication. They communicate properly and they solve their problem on the spot, right? That's why communication important, right? Because if we are Indian, if we means get any kind of unexpected situation in our country, then our prime minister or president, they communicate with different country people and they try to solve that problem, that issue, due to communication, right? That's why communication, we should interact with different mentality people, not only same people. We don't, we, if we want to become fluent speaker, then we have to jump into out of comfort zone, right? Then we meet a different category people, positive people, negative people, motivator, demotivator, right? Sometimes what happens, if I appreciate you, you are a good speaker, then you don't know your weak point, right? But if you meet any demotivator, they demotivate you or me. Someone, suppose you tell me you are not a good speaker, you never use strong vocabulary while interact with others, your grammar is not good, then I should not demotivate myself. I know about my weak point, where I am weak. I try to improve that weak point, right? That's why appreciation means from to feedback is a good for grow our life, right? By appreciation, they hide your personality, but feedback, they push you to improve yourself, right? Then we Pardon? I talked with one person less than 5 minutes. He disconnected the call. Yeah, I don't know, because sometimes what happen, people they don't get like-minded people, they don't want to talk. They are comfort zone. One point. Second thing, they are mode of they are good speaker. Maybe they don't want to speak in this kind of conversation. They want to interact with different mentality people. That is their one protocol, because you know your mission, vision, and destination. Right? You have a clear vision. You want to polish your fluency and confidence through platform, because you want to improve your professional life, right? And if you get promotion in future, you will meet and attend any higher level meeting, right? Or you interact with well educated people. Then if you don't know how to speak professional way, then you feel embarrassed in front of them, right? Right now it is a, you have a big purpose and you get a small platform, but you want to implement that big purpose through small platform, right? That's why you are police your fluency, because you have a clear vision. After 5 years, if you get promotion, what will you do? That's when you never get chance to improve your language and you communicate with the higher authority people. You have to talk with them in English. You have to communicate with them in English, right? Then right now it is a good time to improve yourself. If you don't improve yourself, if you don't improve your skill, then you become outdated from junior, right? Junior, BSc. Yeah. Science, science, science. Yeah. Yeah, right now, I have long term and short term goal on my hand. That's why I want to enhance my English speaking, and you know English how much required in our personal and professional life in English. It's okay. We never talk with anyone in personal life. It's okay. We have a mother tongue. But if you want to grow your professional life, then it required for your professional life. You cannot deny. You like or dislike, doesn't matter. You have to improve your language, English speaking language, also English language also. If you cannot speak fluently and if you don't have good command in English, then how can you write a good drafting in your office, right? Then your mind never produce step by step sentences. If you write any email in your higher authority, then you have to write professional way. If you write any kind of official letter to different department, then you have to write a professional drafting, not like a different way. Then if you become a good speaker, if you have a good command in English, then you can write any kind of drafting, right? Then you grow your personal professional life inside office. They uh, department faith you, department they retain you long time, right? Because you have a good knowledge about language including communication. Then they don't want to lose you, right? Then you grow your professional life inside office. Without you, office cannot run. You make that kind of atmosphere inside office if you have a good knowledge about English, right? Office, because office never leave you. Thank you. Definitely, definitely. Okay, thank you.
Call got disconnected.